Welcome to Speak Up English Easy. Today, we're diving into essential English vocabulary that's not only easy to remember, but also incredibly useful. Whether you're starting from scratch or just brushing up, you're in the right place to enhance your communication skills. Hello, learners. Are you geared up to broaden your English vocabulary in a manner that's both fun and straightforward? Well, let's jump right in and get the ball rolling. Kicking things off with our first word, abundant. It signifies plenty, a lot of something. Imagine this. The orchard had an abundant supply of apples. It's all about quantity. Moving on to benevolent, a word that paints the picture of someone who is kind and generous. Picture a benevolent individual. The benevolent woman donated her winnings to charity. Kindness in action. Next up, curious. This one's about the thirst for knowledge, an eagerness to learn or know something. Like a curious mind, the curious child asked many questions about the stars. Always questioning. Now let's put your memory to the test. Can you recall what benevolent means? Go ahead, type your answers in the comments below. Let's see who gets it right. You've done a fantastic job today. Remember, the key to mastering new vocabulary is practice, practice, practice. Try weaving these new words into your daily conversations. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Dive into our channel for more easy-to-follow English learning tips. Thank you for watching, and keep on learning.